Welcome everyone in today's video of how to log in. Do you want to get logged in Canara Bank? Then just watch this complete video because this is what this tutorial is for. First step is really simple. Just open your browser and search for the keywords GBitch Canara Bank login. And there you will see a search results to the login link. Click on this login link of Canara Bank, and then you can see it has redirected me to the login page. Here you have to fill username and password. Let me put username as temp user 1 to 4, and then you have to put the password. Make sure your password is correct. If you have forgotten your username and password, click on this forgot username and forgot password. And then you have to fill the captcha on the screen. In my case, there is a captcha R8JC. And simply click on the sign in button. And if all the credentials are correct, you will be logged in Canara Bank. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to find more helpful videos like this, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and comment down in the comment section below.